Ka National People Party menta ka si kalong ka jing priang bat ka jing pernah jongkai ki kertong da ki wei pat ki brio ha ki jaka ki ba ka party kaladan lepa ki amli ka de kat kum ka rukom tre kam jongka habadon kanu ka election. Habai keren bot National President ke NPP u Konrad Sangma habai de bat ka jing pernah jong u ka kerteng Abu Tahir Mondal kum u kertong ka party na Polbury Ketansi ka ba ka party ka Donio SG Estamul Muminen kum u amli ubamenta. Konrad ulong kani kadai kat kum karukom trikam jongka bat kajing pediang yo mandal kadai kat kum kajing wat nya jongka bau niu ameli barem udan kajing kermen banwan ra jing job bat ha kabai dei bot ameli bamanta uang karai ka shong hau u shimet ya karai bun sim.
So maybe get your word regarding this. What is the stand of the party when it comes, since you have already announced the name of Abu Tahir Mandal as your candidate from Fulbari? What is the stand of the party as of now regarding the sitting MLA? Where are you sending him from the party? Will he be the party member?
There is nothing like that. The party and the way the election commission and the election procedures work is that once a particular candidate is elected for that term, till the end of the term, the person will be belonging to that particular political party. And as the term ends, the affiliation ends. And the only way for the concerned person to de-affiliate from the party is to either have the 2/3 majority and merge into another political party, which is a defection, and or the person has to resign, which some MLAs have resigned recently, and then they're free to join any other party. So that will be a decision that will have to be made by the particular individual. Now, what we have said is that when the 2023 elections are announced, as and when the nomination papers come out, it will be Mr. A.T. Mondal who will be filing the nomination as the NPP candidate.
What will made you to invite A.T. Mondal to the party, because you already have a sitting MLA? Is it because he has got failures on him as a...
No, I don't want to comment on anybody's individual work or not work or whatever it may be. Maybe this is not the time to talk about all of that. I wish him the very best. But I think we have made our own political surveys and calculations, and we feel strongly that at this point in time that the entry of A.T. Mondal into the National People's Party will boost the party, and also that we feel strongly that the possibility of fighting this election under his candidature will be much more stronger. And that's the reason why we have approached, we've discussed, and we have decided to move forward in that. I think
Sir,
it will be
an image of A.T. Mondal for the National People's Party, what will be his position in the party?
He has just entered now. In fact, to be very frank, we have now received him. He has to now go back to West Garo Hills district and formally get the primary membership through, so that we cannot do it here. So all these procedures are still left. Allow us to do those procedures, allow us to discuss and talk, and then we'll decide on how to move forward. Let's wait and see, let's work. I think what is important is that a senior person like Shri A.T. Mondalji has joined, a person who has vast experience, and I'm sure that his experience will be of huge benefit to the party and to the people of the state as a whole. See, there is no question of any betrayal as such. Obviously, for the party, we have to look at all angles. We have to look at all aspects of the upcoming elections. We are not the only political party that does this. Does this or has to take decisions like this. These are not easy decisions. I'm not saying it's very simple for us to just decide and just move forward and not give a ticket to somebody. It's very tough. But as a leader of the party and as the president of the party, I have certain responsibilities to ensure that we take the party forward in the coming elections in its best possible way. And therefore some tough decisions have to be taken, and we have to do it. This does not mean we have anything against anybody. And as I mentioned, there are many political parties in the country. You will always find large, big parties. They also have denied ticket to many sitting MLAs, and that happens. Is it the best thing? Well, it's not, because it's not easy for us to decide. But as I said, we have to take tough decisions in keeping in mind the larger interests of the state, the larger interests of the party. As I always say in every statement of mine, elections are not easy. You cannot predict and you cannot take things for granted. You have to work hard. You have to have a very strong mindset. I keep repeating, you have to have a survivor's mindset. You have to think that things are tough and keep working hard, even though people may come and tell you that things are good. The moment you start thinking that things are good, I think that's when things start going wrong. So I urge everybody in my party, and always, I am myself a person who never takes things easy. So whatever the situation may be, we are going to work hard, and we always take our opponents seriously.
So last question.